Okay, this is Cyril of CMDA Cleaning Services. We will do a video documentation of how we use UVC disinfection lamps on the room. So this room has been sprayed already. Sige, say, pasok ko na. And then we will use the UVC disinfection lamps to disinfect further the rooms, the cabins, to ensure that there are no traces of COVID-19 even in the air. Okay, so this is the 4 feet fluorescent germicidal lamp. Then we use a table lamp to disinfect the room also. Then we will leave it for 15 minutes. You have a remote. It's on the upper deck, but yeah, yes, there is. We use, after we spray, we use UVC lamps. Okay.